Xiaomi was founded on April 6th, 2010, and around this time every year, Xiaomi celebrate their birthday by giving back to their fans in the form of the Xiaomi Fan Festival. This year, Xiaomi are sending select fans a mystery box in the shape of a love letter in order to show their appreciation. And if you would like to win a box just like this, make sure to stick around to the end of the video. In the mystery box, we get two main boxes. First box here is the vinyl record and player. It is portable and supports Bluetooth as well, which is pretty cool. It also comes with a note filled with lyrics as well as a vinyl record, because of course we also get given that wonderful vinyl player. And it says "We Are Together" on the front, since that is actually a song created by a few Xiaomi fans. Super keen to give it a listen on this nice and trendy looking vinyl record player. So without further ado, let's go ahead and kick things off. We also get a bag strap in the box, because one of the boxes, the second main box, actually has loopholes so that you can put the box inside this plastic box shape in order to create a bag. And inside that box is another box, but before we get to that box, we actually get a custom made Xiaomi fan card, which actually has a chipset embedded in it from one of Xiaomi's 2017 smartphones. But of course, the star of the show is the Redmi Note 11 Xiaomi Fan Festival Edition. It has some blue stars on the outside as well as a couple stickers on the inside. And it's very similar, actually the exact same phone as the Redmi Note 11, which debuted January 26th, 2022. Though this one has a neat little logo at the back, which we'll get to in a sec. You get a silicon case in the box as well as a Type-C cable and 33-watt charging brick. The actual device comes in three different colors, that being Star Blue, Graphite Gray, and Twilight Blue, but the only one that has the XFF Xiaomi Fan Festival logo at the back is the new Twilight Blue color. It looks pretty fantastic if you ask me, with a nice glass matte finish. It really does strike different colors of blue the more you shift it around in certain lighting conditions. And inside the device, we are kitted with a 5000 mAh battery, 33-watt wired charging, a Snapdragon 680 CPU, LPDDR4X RAM, and UFS 2.2 storage. The front of the phone is protected by Gorilla Glass 3, the back by anti-glare glass, and sandwiched in between is a plastic frame. And you'll be happy to know that it is indeed IP53 dust and splash protected. That rectangular camera module at the back of the phone houses an 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor, 50 megapixel main sensor, 2 megapixel macro, and 2 megapixel depth camera. On the right of the device, we have a power button mixed up with a fingerprint sensor, above that a volume rocker, and on the left side of the device we have a dual SIM 4G standby tray, which has a water resistant seal and supports expandable storage up to 1 terabyte. At the bottom of the device we have a USB 2.0 Type-C port, and beside that we have the first dual stereo speaker, one at the bottom, one at the top over here, which are enhanced by Dolby Atmos, as well as a 3.5mm headphone jack, and of course an IR blaster to boot. At the top of the device we have a punch hole selfie camera, which is of course 13 megapixels, and powering on the device we get to that nice nifty Xiaomi logo. We do have an always on display over here once the device is turned on, and of course using that side mounted fingerprint sensor, it's nice and quick to get into your device. We are kitted with a 6.43 inch AMOLED 20:9 flat dot display. It is full HD plus with a resolution of 2400 by 1080p and a pixels per inch of 409. We have 1000 nits of max brightness, and of course we have that 90 Hz refresh rate option to make things nice and smooth and fluid when scrolling around your device or playing games. And of course we can't forget about the 180 Hz touch sampling rate, which makes things nice and snappy when you're rubbing your finger against your screen. We do have MIUI 13 skinned over Android 11 out the box, which is nice and nifty. And if you'd like to win this EXACT Mi-STERY Box, you're gonna have to head over to the link in the description down below, or scan the QR code that you see at the end of me making my own Mi fan card over here, which I must say looks pretty cool with a Xiaomi 12 in my hand. Xiaomi smartwatch, as well as some Xiaomi earbuds and a Xiaomi scooter. So make sure to sign up for the chance to win your very own Xiaomi Fan Festival mystery box, which includes the Redmi Note 11 Xiaomi Fan Festival Special Edition, portable Bluetooth vinyl record player, and limited edition Xiaomi chipset fan card. Let me know some of your favorite Xiaomi Fan Festival experiences in the comment section down below. This is TechNick, and I'll catch you in the next one.
We got a good shot, 'cause we make a